In as much as we at ZANU-PF and disagree with ZANU-PF, personally, I get happy when I see ZANU-PF people themselves fighting their own leader, Emmerson Mnangagwa. ZBC posted something, and the first people to come and criticize ZBC are not from the opposition. They are ZANU-PF people. And when you see ZANU-PF people in agreement with those from the opposition, just know kuti Mnangagwa ari kubika nyemba. This is Matigari Murakash. He says, vakuwasha vadedzwa mumba, ambia vakumwa tea, mukuwasha aida ku toilet. These are national institutions. And he was responding to what ZBC had said pachino ichichi. Imagine kuti this is a national broadcaster inotinyora kuti Wicknell Chivayo and Lululo Bola Den Marondera vakwasha vadaidzwa mumba. Zviri kufanira kunge zvichiitwa nemabloggers ndo zviri kuitwa neZBC. They can't even copy what South Africa national broadcaster SABC is doing. They can't copy what other national broadcasters are doing. They are busy running with bogus propaganda and useless things instead of doing the right thing. I just want to applaud Advocate Fadzai Mahere because she's always there right in time, also to amplify her voice. She said, this is why we don't buy ZBC licenses. What nonsense is this? It's a mess. So one would think kuti Advocate Fadzai Mahere is a hater. But before you go that direction, you then get to know what other Varakashi people are saying. They are actually in agreement with what Advocate Fadzai Mahere has been always saying. These days, the several Varakashi vari kuwirirana na Advocate Fadzai Mahere pakutaura kwavo because vakuzviona kuti Mnangagwa anoporonga. The problem, vari kuzviona too late. Isisu takazviona kubva kudhara tikati kufa. Mnangagwa is not fit to be a president. He can't lead a nation. We have been proven correct by his actions. Mabasa avo baba Mnangagwa ndo ari kungoti prove correct each and every time. And the Varakashi, they are being proven wrong each and every time because I'm going to give him a chance. Yeah, this, that, whatever. What kind of reporting is this? So we need to see my national broadcasters with all the resources which they have, Varipama budgets and everything. They must be delivering. But right now they want us to pay ZBC license mandatorily through our cars. Simply because varikuzviona kuti hakuna munhu anochida chinhu chinonzi ZBC. Dai yanga iri a national broadcaster yemachokwadi, people were supposed to be scrambling to pay for license fees because vanenge vachiziva kuti kuri kubikwa zvinhu chaizvo and vanenge vachiziva kuti tikasabvisa zvinhu hazvifambi zvakanaka. Go to South Africa, people don't even scramble to pay, they just pay. Havamboiti ma-problems, havapare pese. They just go and pay their dues. Hapana kana problem. They don't need to force anybody kuti zvinhu zvacho zvinge zvichifamba zvakanaka. But here in Zimbabwe, you struggle. The reason is, kuri kuenda mari kwacho vanhu havana faith nako. That is the biggest problem which we have. So I hope and believe that Mnangagwa will see kuti hakuna anomuda, uye hakuna anoda zvichi ZBC chake, uye hakuna anoda zvese zvavari kuita ivo sechihurumende chavo. Proof is there. So it is what it is in Zimbabwe. It is our role and our duty is to come with these stories. Izvi ndizvo zviri kutaurwa navanhu veZANU-PF. 100% in agreement nezvatiri kutaura na Advocate Fadzai Mahere. Saka kana kuno umwewo anoramba achingoti pana Mnangagwa ipapo, ringori dzungu haro, but this man is no longer loved.